All right, guys, I got a couple of pretty interesting locks from Bill Clegg. These are both from from Edison Light and Electric up in Boston. You can see the engraving right there on the front. Even without the engraving, you would know these are for public utilities because these shackles are made out of brass, not hardened steel. And they do that for a couple reasons. First of all, public utility, a lot of people squirt stuff in there, they jam sticks, all that, and mess up the locks. And with brass, much softer, it's easier for them to cut through here very quickly. Likewise, if there's a fire in the substation, for example, that's secured by this lock, fire department shows up, they don't have a key, and they can really quickly get through either with a hacksaw or, again, a pair of bolt cutters. Snap right through there very quickly. So whenever you see the brass, it's probably from a public utility. These, when I take a look, they're both keyed the same. They're probably American locks, would be my guess. Nice little keyway offset, so you got to pick from the shelf on the right-hand side there. This one's the same, even though these are designed not to corrode when they're exposed to the elements. This one did. It probably, I would say Bill probably found these in a ditch or something. There's no key for these, but hopefully we don't need no stinking key. Let's pick this crappy one, or try to. As I said, probably American. So we can expect to see some serrated pins, maybe some serrated spools, or depending on the age, these just might have regular spools in them. But we can almost always count on having at least a couple of serrated. All right, I'm going to use top of the keyway. Make sure that's going to work. Yeah, this is 40,000 top of the keyway. And I will try one of the hybrid. I'm going to try my Attila. Nice fine tip, because in Americans and Masters the pins are a little smaller, so you want a smaller tip. And there's some pretty good spring tension on the core, so just keep that in mind, tension it. This might not be the right pick, but we'll try it. Okay, that was pin 2. Got a little, I'll tell you what, let's undo that. Let's put a mark on this guy. So I'm going to pick him clockwise because I have to. Put a little mark right there. And maybe I can even zoom in a little closer, so maybe you can see if we get a fault set. If we do hit a spool. All right, let's try that again. See if I can. I think it was pin 2 that was a. Give us that fault set. There we go. We got a fault set. Okay, it's not the right pick. It's too much of a hook. So I'm going to try this little guy. The hybrid pick from Sparrows. Okay, that was 5. He was the binder. I got a click. 2, I believe, is set. Okay, that is pin 3. Nice deep fault set. Make sure it's not open. Put a little extra torque on there. I'm going to hold this with my tensioners falling out. I'm going to reposition him a little bit. And try it now. I want to make sure I'm not picking my tension wrench. I really am trying to pick pin 1. Definitely this one's crudded up. I probably shouldn't have grabbed this guy, or at least I should have shot some WD-40 there. I'm getting counter rotation on 1, I believe. So he's probably a spool. Okay, that was 2. Check 1 again. Did he fall? Nope. That's 3. Counter rotation on 3, and there we go. I think it would have been easy. You see, it's got a pretty good spring tension on it. I didn't hear the shackle pop out, so let me give him a little pull. Probably got some crud. Probably should have shot some lubricant in there. Come here, you. Although it doesn't look like there's no corrosion down inside of there, so it doesn't look like it's been secured that long. So that's proof that having the same kind of metal doesn't cause corrosion, at least when it's brass. Anyway, guys, there you go. The Boston Edison light and electric security lock. Not that difficult to pick. I think next time I might squirt a little lube up inside of there. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe, stay legal. Bill, thank you, sir, for the locks. Appreciate it.